In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another company in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple businesses, adding another company file in QuickBooks Online can really streamline your financial operations, keeping everything organized and easy to access. So whether you're just starting out or already using QuickBooks for one business, this guide will help you get set up simply and efficiently. To begin, if you don't yet have a QuickBooks account, you'll want to sign up. Just head over to QuickBooks website to create an account where all these processes will take place. If you've already got an account, simply proceed to the sign-in page. Enter your existing credentials and ensure you complete any verification steps like the "I'm not a robot" check. Once you're signed in, click on Continue to proceed further. Now once you've successfully logged in, you'll see the QuickBooks home screen. Look towards the upper right corner and click Settings. This is where you access many administrative tools and features. Here, you need to click on Switch Company. This option will let you manage or add additional companies under your current account. Next, select Add Another Company from the menu. Every company within QuickBooks is treated as a separate subscription, so at this stage, you'll need to choose a plan for your new company. QuickBooks offers various plans tailored to different business needs. You can choose Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Or, if you're not ready to commit, take advantage of the free trial available and click on Try It Free. If you're ready to move forward, you can skip to checkout from here. You will now need to provide your payment details. Ensure that everything is accurate before you proceed. This will also include agreeing to authorize Intuit to charge your credit card for the subscription. Once you've ensured everything is in order, click to authorize this payment. After all the billing and authorization steps are complete, it's time to subscribe officially. Upon subscribing, you'll then be prompted to enter the details of your new company. This includes the company name, the industry it belongs to, the business type, and the currency you will be using. Check that your billing information aligns with the plan you're selecting, whether it's a paid plan or a trial. Finally, once the setup is complete, you'll be able to switch between your different company accounts at any time. Just click on your company name located at the top left corner of the page, which will bring up a list of your companies. From there, you can easily select the company you wish to work on. And there you have it. The process to add another company in QuickBooks Online is complete. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your business finances organized under one roof. Remember, proper setup saves you time and keeps your financial management efficient, no matter how many businesses you run. Happy bookkeeping!